Life's all about the moments that matter and the roads we drive to get there. Whether it's fetching someone special or taking that much-needed road trip with family. We're here to bring you closer to what truly matters. We're your friend who will be there with you at every sunrise and every late-night ride home. Always in tune with your pace and your needs. Because it's not just about the destination, it's about being there for the moments that make life unforgettable, helping you to reach the people that inspire you to dream and make every journey a reality. Always ready for the road ahead and the ones waiting at the end of it. Dongfeng